As news was spreading around the world about the pandemic and the huge demand there was for personal protective equipment that just wasn't being met, we realised that we could help.
As healthcare workers, having appropriate PPE when fighting COVID-19 is completely essential. It keeps us safe, keeps our patients safe, and it gives us peace of mind when we're going home to our families at the end of the day.
So we got in contact with our partners, Roden Cars and Emirates Team New Zealand, and we said, if we provide you the materials for free, will you throw in the use of your machine and the labour? They didn't hesitate, they were so keen to help.
By joining with others, we created a greater force than the sum of the individuals. And so Shieldsup came along, so with our 3D printer, we joined forces and have been able to produce pieces of PPE gear which have gone into medical profession and frontline.
During the COVID-19 situation, we were approached by HP New Zealand to help develop some visors to support Shieldsup. These are made from PA12 nylon, which means they can be disinfected and cleaned thoroughly, so they can be used multiple times and don't have to be thrown away.
Shieldsup' main objective was to respond to the PPE needs of the New Zealand frontline medical workforce. I'm pleased to say that with over 15,000 face shields shipped, this critical milestone has been achieved. The Shieldsup volunteers would like to say a massive thank you to HP, Emirates Team New Zealand and Roden Cars for joining our efforts and for keeping New Zealand safe during this pandemic.